here's a few ways you can actually drop the cost per lead when you're actually running paid advertising. The first way that you can actually do this, and the cool thing is I'm actually here in Cabo. But look, the first way you can actually drop your cost per lead is by offering a free product, right? When we launch our credit repair company, a lot of people actually run their ads as a lead generation or directly to book appointments, which is cool, right? Because that's the objective. But what we do is we like giving free value. We like offering free 24-hour inquiry removal guides. We like offering free ebooks, free DIYs, right? So that we can at least let the customer attempt to repair their credit themselves. 60 to 70% chance, sometimes people give up. They just see the value, but they just don't have the time, because time is money, right? They might be working a job, they might be focusing on scaling their business, but they don't have the time to actually focus on scaling and repairing their credit. So when we offer these free DIYs, these ebooks, what happens is it drops our cost per lead, right? And at the same time, we can do a 2-for-1 combo. This is why I call it a 2-for-1 combo. 2-for-1 combo is, well, let's back up a little bit. The 1-for-1 combo is you're taking them, you're running an ad, you're taking them directly to see your ad, whatever you're offering, and then getting them to book an appointment or opt in, right? Versus for the 2-for-1 combo, not only that you're getting people to download your ebook and get access to your free, ebook or DIY, aka building your list, but at the same time, when they're opting in and building their list, they're actually getting into booking an appointment as well, because now once they download that ebook, you can redirect them to book an appointment, right? Or you can have them into an email list that will literally take them to book an appointment, which I call the 2-for-1 combo, right? Now, the great thing about this is that you always have to remember, of course, you're getting them in for a free offer. The cost per lead will drop crazy, but what you need to actually focus on is that not only you are offering that free offer, but you gotta focus on your targeting and your ad copy. Your ad copy plays a big part of your ads, right? Ad copy, basically what you are showing in front of your consumers, what you're showing in front of your future customers, so they can be able to opt into your service. And then the third thing is you want to make sure that your targeting is on point. If you're running an ad for credit repair or real estate, you want to make sure that you're targeting, prime example, let's say we're running an ad for real estate. You want to make sure that you're targeting real estate mortgage loans, mortgage brokers, real estate investors, entrepreneurs. You want to get into that field of targeting the right people that is interested in your product, right, or your service. You don't want to target Walmart and you're talking about real estate. You definitely don't want to target Coca-Cola and you're talking about credit repair, right? Now, you can test it, but you do not want to focus your targeting on there. If you're talking about credit repair, your targeting, and this is specifically for Facebook, should be credit finance, mortgage and loans, equity lines of credit, finance, because if you're looking for credit repair, they're probably lacking finance, right? So that's how you literally drop the cost, right, per your lead and scale your business to the next level. Let's go.